Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect any gamepad to your Windows PC, whether it's wired, wireless or Bluetooth. So let's begin step by step. So previously I have made a dedicated video that how to connect any gamepad to your Android phone. If you don't watch this video, so I will give the link in the I button. Just click and watch it for Android user. You can easily able to connect any gamepad to your Android phone as well. Now I will show you how to connect any gamepad to your Windows PC or laptop. So as you can see guys, I have one Windows laptop. So just I want to connect this gamepad to my laptop. So let's start step by step. So simply plug the USB cable into your PC. So if you have the gamepad with the wired, okay, that support wired connection, just need to connect one end to your gamepad and another end to your PC laptop as well. Okay. So I have this wire, as you can see guys. So just simply you need to plug this USB cable into your USB port of your PC or laptop. That's it. Okay. Now the gamepad was turned on, as you can see guys in my screen. Windows will automatically install the driver once the LED light turn on. So your controller is ready. You can test it in the game controller setting as well. Now you need to open any game that support game controller and you can easily able to use this. So now in case guys you have the gamepad with the 2.4 gigahertz receiver. So as you can see guys, I have a receiver with my gamepad. So this is the receiver 2.4 gigahertz. So at that time guys, you can also easily able to use this. Okay, so just you need to simply plug this receiver on your USB port of your PC like this, and now you're good to go. Now in your gamepad, if the dedicated button is there to turn on and off, just need to simply press it. Now you can easily able to enjoy your game on your PC and laptop. Just remember one thing guys, you need to use only that game that support gamepad game controller only. Not every game will support the game controllers. Okay, so if the receiver is not working in the gamepad, you need to find out any dedicated button is there or not to connect to the laptop. So if the button is there, just you need to simply press that button. Okay, so every gamepad have different configuration functions. So just need to know your gamepad game controller setting very well, and then you can easily able to connect it. Now if you have the gamepad that support wireless, totally Bluetooth, so at that time simply just need to once again find out the Bluetooth pairing button on your gamepad. Okay, and just you need to press this button to enable the gamepad in the Bluetooth pairing mode. Okay, like this. Now in your PC you need to go to your Windows settings. So I am using Windows 11. So just open the Windows settings like this. So I will show you clearly. And in the Windows settings, you need to find out Bluetooth and devices, and then simply click on add device like this. Select everything else. Now it will show you your gamepad name, device name. Okay, so just need to select it and simply you need to pair this. Okay, that's it. Now your Bluetooth gamepad is connected. So that's it, how easily you can connect any gamepad to your Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your gaming friends. See you in the next tech video.